Let's install the front fork. Before installing the front fork, we need to check if two accessories are installed. One is whether the lower net key is installed properly, and the sunflower. If there are these two accessories, then we can start the installation. There is an open ring. Upper connecting plate. Don't tighten the screws. This snaps in. A washer. And a heightening device. Put on the bicycle head. Let's tighten the screws. The screws on the upper connecting plate, and the locking screw of the handlebar. Let's not tighten them, because we need to adjust the direction later. Let's install the tire first. Reinstall the brakes we just removed. Put it through this hole. There are two washers outside the brake caliper, and two inside. The upper and lower are the same. Let's put the front wheel straight. We can see the calipers from this direction. We need to adjust the calipers on both sides to the middle of the disc. Then tighten the screws. Check if the needle is okay. Straighten the front wheel first. Adjust the handlebar. After adjusting, we will lock the screws. These two screws on both sides. Alternately tighten them. Finally, tighten the three screws on the upper connecting plate.